3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Oh dear.
That's
Love that.
disgusting. Yeah.
I actually just split the thing in two.
That's
a Thor
amazing.
moment. Hashtag Thor, baby.
I was expecting way more splash.
Is this the manky ass butter that you don't like? Is that why we're destroying it?
Yeah, this is the gross butter I don't like.
Ah. Goopy. Right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. This is so low res, it's ridiculous. I reckon it'll come any second now. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, that's sick.
That was sick.
It was like a perfect radial spread.
Yeah.
I love that.
That was awesome. What if we do that? If I hit it there, you will get soaked.
Both of your cameras are here.
That's fine. I can clean the camera.
If you're fine with that, I'm fine with that.
Okay, cool.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It's coming.
It's coming. There it is. Wow. That
The
is
whole
fun.
thing shakes because this is just a base plate on
Yeah.
the table.
Oh god.
Oh, I hate that.
Yeah. Oh, there's fucking butter on my camera.
Oh, who could have seen that coming? Oh no!
There it is. Oh, that's why it moved, because I decimated the edge.
That was fun. I get to see it happen. I don't have to clean it up.
Yeah.
The second hit, I just felt it like smack me in the chest.
Oh my goodness. I am covered. That is insane. The wall is covered in butter. Everything is covered in butter. The hammer is inevitably covered in butter.
Who could have foreseen?
Greg, you have some butter on you. Oh god, I have to clean this up.